Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your earbuds automatically starts or pause the music. Firstly, we should check if you have the latest software version. You need to open Huawei Live application and you can check it only on Android. If you have iOS, you need to use Android device to check your software version, because you can install the app Huawei Live on your iPhone, but you cannot add these headphones to the application, only on Android. Okay, so the application, and you should be in the main menu. Your headphones should be connected with the phone, you will see them. If you are in the headphones menu, just go back using this arrow at the left top. So, in the main menu, click 4 dots at the right top and go to Device Updates. It check for updates for all devices what you add to the application, and it said that I have the latest software version. If you haven't, right here you can update it. And if it didn't help you, also in the application you need to go back from here. So we should be in the headphones menu. You need to tap at your headphones at the device list and you will be here. Go to the settings at the right bottom, and right here we have wear detection. So what this mode do? When you listen audio or watching the movie and you remove your earbuds, it will automatically pause audio or your video, and when you put your earbuds back to your ears, it will resume to play audio. So, if you don't need this, you can disable this mode. And maybe this one is your problem, this mode. Next step is to restart your audio player. So, let's say you listen to music in SoundCloud. Just remove this application from the application list and then open it again. Also, I recommend it to go to the Play Store or App Store and check if you have the latest version for this application, and update if you haven't. Maybe this is your problem. Now, if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to put your earbuds to the charging case and do not close the case. If you close it, just open it and do not remove your earbuds from the case. At the right side, we have connectional button. You need to press and hold this button until you will see that the LED light on the front side start blinking red. So press and hold. Firstly, start blinking white. It's okay, just enter to pairing mode, don't worry, just keep holding this button. Maybe I did something wrong, so let's press and hold again. So you need to wait something like 10 seconds. Oh, and we have red light. You can release your finger. And now we should reconnect them with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices. Firstly, we should remove them. If I try to reconnect them on Android, it will just show me that I cannot do this. If you have iOS, it will ask you to remove them. So you just click Forget Device. And now let's remove them, so click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Then click Forget or Forget Device button, or Forget this device, or Unpair, or Remove, or something else. And Forget Device. Now, we should add them. So, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS. Just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have refresh button, tap at this button, but I need to tap at this one. And after factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically. We know that these earbuds in the pairing mode by the white LED light, not blinking, and you should see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds and then click pair. And we just reconnect them. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!